Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition of Sunday, December the 30th or 31st 2023. Well, it's last year because today it's Monday, January the 1st 2024. Yeah, today we have no newspaper, so I've told you I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, and in the additional I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and 2 stars Sudoku. So the last puzzle remain the jigsaw Sudoku with a 1 star, a.k.a. Tectonic in Dutch, they call it cipher block in Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be 7718. 7718. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 17 printed digits. Well. 17. That's a lot, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. But it's also indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star jigsaw Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box or the or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see 2 single boxes, here 1, there 1, always a 1, here 1 and there 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Well, we have here a dual box, and yeah, 1 and 2 I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box, the 2 is already given, so that box should be a 1 then. Next question, do we have here triple boxes contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. It's rotated, this one here. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Mirrored. Here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope, only 1. Then the following shape, I believe this is the last shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. The L shape. These three boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So one box left with a 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So one box left with a 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left with a 1 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left with a 3 in this W area shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 3. So one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for number 4. And the 5, let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Yeah, let me turn the lights on. It's getting dark here. Alright, let me continue. Well, these three boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1, again, these two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me with this one. Okay. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be 2 and 5. But we already have a 2 here, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Then. Well. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 3. So 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes and there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then these two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, I've marked those two boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5. Oh, wait. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1. Oh, wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Then. Well. Let me think. Well. Well. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And we need a 1 here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. It means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Not the solution, place the 1 there. I only place left with 1. It should be here. Alright. And now, I need a 3 or 4 here. Okay, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Need a 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, okay. 4, 5. Well, I think this box can be a 4. If I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. But we already have a 4 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 4 there. The only place left the 4 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left now in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. I marked those two boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. 30 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. So is this really a 1 star? No. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic New Year's Day. We'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday, new puzzles we will have. On Tuesday we have newspaper, so see you then. Bye bye for now.